Are you looking for a quick and easy way to get more clients through WhatsApp? In this video, I show you how to use Callbell's WhatsApp forms to increase your sales without complicating your life. And the best part, no need to know anything about programming. Let's get to it. Callbell's forms allow you to capture information from your customers directly from your website or social media and automatically lead them into a conversation on your WhatsApp business. This way you can start quality conversations, capture leads and convert faster, all automatically. What are the benefits? You will get more qualified leads without complicating things. Everything goes directly to your WhatsApp, which is the channel where your clients really respond. You can automate the first contact while maintaining the warmth of human interaction. It's super easy to use and you don't need to know any code. To create the form, first we log into our Callbell account, then we click on Settings, Free Tools and Landing Page Generator. Here we can create our form by adding our phone number. Remember to add the country code. Then we will have to add a title. You can add any title you want. Next we add a subline or a form description and add text for the text box. We select our company logo, select the font type we want to use, then we select a background, a color, the color you prefer. Then we select the text color. Then we select what we want the information box to say. You can also add more boxes by deciding if this box will contain a link, a number, or text. And finally, we add a preset message that will be sent every time users fill out the form. As you can see, es como que says, this is the completed form and when users fill it out and send it, these messages will go directly to our WhatsApp account. Also remember that Google is a platform to talk to your customers along with your sales and support team from wherever they are. It has multiple functionalities such as a multi-agent chat module, chatbot, store for WhatsApp, mass messaging, API, integration with WhatsApp and other social networks, and much more.